Edikan lawyer wadama Nkyeraa ekuro ne friend Nkyeraa na mpato ehun panin sam kakra ne de
Nkyeraa ye Asantefo kuro
Nkyeraa ya Asantefo kuro
adanka obi a onima kenkane obi a onpa kenkane obi a onye krado so oba kenkane no obeka se Nkyeraa nya Asantefo dia. What is the American no?
Matu asepa.
Obia onima kenkane. Obia onpa kenkane. Obia kenkana onti ase. Obia onpe hu. Obia onpe nhia. No baka sa Nkyeraa enya Asantefo dia. Now, it is in the court of appeal case of Boye versus Kwaku.
Ma me try Boye versus Kwaku. Abusiafo bi antwere bi Boye versus Kwaku. Aha, me try.
Boye versus Kwaku.
Okay.
The ministry change title na yan Kwaku versus Boye.
Boye. Okay.
2007, 2008 Ghana Law Report Digest.
Okay, 2007, 2008 Ghana Law Report Digest.
GLRD.
Okay.
Paragraph 104.
Paragraph 104.
The Court of Appeal.
Court of Appeal.
Stated clearly say boy Nkyeraa Asantefo asase.
Wow. But I was a for beyond trying to na obi ankoye research ni bi why ma odama. Okay. Lawyer Sasi Subio, Mama is the document, the authentic documents that was Sasi Subio my.
Boye versus Kwaku.
Okay.
Kwaku versus Boye.
Okay.
2007, 2008.
Okay, call him.
Ghana Law Report Digest.
Ghana Law Report Digest. Okay. GLRT. Okay. Okay, RD. Okay.
104.
104. Okay.
The Court of Appeal was emphatic. Nkyeraa Asantefo dia. No lawyer Paramount to say Obiri Boahen on challenge me. Judgment be me kasa.
Fantastic.
I don't indulge in loose and unguided statement.
Fantastic.
Me ya crack ni mapa. Me ya crack ni mapa.
Right, lawyer, dear TNA, enra video be a free Nkyeraa by na Nkyeraa ma ehene bodwa. Womoto nsafra na nanu atankonyo Obiri na asem apie mu ba ye ne se ya na Dormaahene ekọ ho as oyehene na ni video oje microphone kasa no say Nkyeraa ye kuro tititi kura wo mu free de Nkyeraa na wo nyina ba nti wo mu dini kura ye de Nkyeraa na chese be ye Nkyeraa na de ten say wo mu ye kura sabre se ko mu kura de wo mu ho na wo mu di kokuma se menipa bi di wo ya na ahihie nti mpese Nkyeraa be ye Mahene de ene ye wo no as ene ya wote ase ya wo kan nani abre te se kakai na obe make sure say obe mo omo ayo Mahene lawyer o te sa asem we no
ntebi wo hanu sha be metia I mean no, I've given you the title of the suit before we proceed maybe
okay,
and the Court of Appeal quoted the decision in Apenkwa's case. Apenkwa's case was 18 something. I am 54 never cast a ban some and the Court of Appeal Apenkwa's case because Bronika said Memfano said Memfano of Inkru Mehame of Inkru Memfano said Mehame focus about some offense one that Enyamra Memfano said Akrobi and Wenchikru. It is a Wenchi Akrobi, Casaban some Mwenchibiwa. And the Boahen versus Kwaku's case, relying on a Pemquest case, Entiminye. Abisim, Aya Doma Fochidom. And Abisim for another on some Doma Biwa. Enye. Chira Aya Doma Benkum. And Chira that's another on your Doma Benkum Biwa. Enye. Kato Aya Brekum Crew. Brekum that's another on some Kato Biwa. Enye. But what in the
Mitipa.
Mama were examples. So no one you have
and
decision in the yes.
Right.
Mama will be Mama. Bana Boase a Bana for Bana is a Paramount too. Nti ade a che ne Bana Boase kas on some Bana enye yi.
Okay.
What was the mama examples baby baby?
No correct. Na ye wadama. Mama sanin ko. So all over the country, young mammy free Bono Marco Asante. What you say? Makoka offensive. So what in America? But I don't pass it any akokere. They are under the advance in terms of 2409. It is that's already don't pass it. The men some men call for menabuse. Akokere the men call for menabuse. Enyamra. The law will not permit that. Okay.
Boahen is under a Joshua. Until that's already Boahen, the men call a Joshua Biwa. Enye. Akaii is under Achima Buakwa. Until Akaii sorry not the men call Achima Buakwa Biwa. Enye.
Right.
Obiri, me mama example so no more.
That's right.
Akomo no wakame. Me mampa gina What is shira gumi so awie. Obiri is under Akuropon. So by the same principle no, Obiri entimin kase on some Akuropon Paramount to ni bio. It is not permissible. Yanko the gumba for Mio, Esha Yana say. So Adiachina Mio say Uncle some Yana Biwa. It is not permissible.
Okay.
My memory Gonja for Bupe is under Yabonra. But that decision in Kwaku versus Boye and the Apenquest case, Bupeura, that's or not men cosum Yabon review, men called Damangubiwa. The law will not permit that. But that decision also member as a bole Yabon Radia. Yeah, that's already say Mampanini Dada Kokasha uncle Damangubiwa. One example, the
that's right. Right. Oh, there. You found in Suan Yambra Hasi. The Akaii crowd, a dorsal papa. Now, lawyer, young Jenny say, National Regional House of Chief as a statutory body.
Japan is under Wasa Akropon.
Okay.
That's already Japan, Uncle Song Wasa Akropon. Bibiani is under Anyaso. That's already Bibiani Uncle Song Anyaso Biwa Enye. Egenase is under Sefioso. That's already. So you see, it is only Sefioso who can elevate Egenase to Paramount.
Okay.
It is only Anyaso Man who can elevate Bibiani to Paramount. No, that is it. It is only the Paramount too, no, and a bit me elevate. There is a case going on at the Kumasi High Court. The Republic versus the National House of Chiefs, Regional House of Chiefs, Western Region, and then Bosumakura, S Party, Otunfo, Badubonsu the third. As per for Badubonsu the third. It is a matter pending before the High Court Kumasi. First of the case. National House of Chief Justice Obiri abo takura de manhene. Namsi no takura de she busia omo krobi o busia beach. Krobi o busia busia no na ya hunter for no omo traditional home busia. So National House of the Obebo namsi mo boa money to me. It is only the Paramount to Atigya Court, Kumasi High Court. The position of the law is that it is only the Paramount to who can elevate. That is the law. It is a takwa akwatiabaya manhenia. Achima buakwa na betimabo. Sir Mpraeso Obo Nkyeraa Nkoko Obibaya manhenia. Just Kawuman Hene Betimiabo.
Okay.
Asantehene Kroning na Bibaya Manhenia. Just as
okay.
Tantina say ya menoka say. Brekum Henewu case our manshia or moody. Brekumo is in the Bono. Domasi number 2 is in the Bono. Omo Henewu Omo manshia. Mienu Brekum. Domasi
number 2. Okay.
Yankwa hafo. Bia yankwanta manyina wu. Omo manhia omo di asem no. Bechem manyina wu ombe dot ye no this week. Omo manhia omo di asem no. Ada na omankwadi no brekum ne Domasi. Ada ne benyina Domasi kura kwasama ne original. Na no akopacha wo tumfo ho watwam. So Brekum and Domasi. When a baby man bed in a manshia. Diam Quanta, when a baby man in bed in a manshia, that is in the half region.
Okay.
Bechem in the half bed in a manshia. A lot of the stools, non seminar bed in a manshia. So if you want to find the answer in Nkyeraa, the answer lies in the court. It is decided. You might be well, yeah, me mama authority. You also show your bema power ni mumarante seme. Also cite authority mami.
Okay. Right.
I'm speaking as a lawyer. Lawyer me china me na so pa.
Okay.
Mama title no. Ebi am no kan kre bi man gogolanya.
Yeah. Abusafo more comment section. Wo dey wetima ko Google. Wo be use dem. Boye versus Kwaku. Now o cite Appeals Court 208
versus Boye.
That's right.
7208 Ghana Law Report Digest 104.
That's right. But comment section for no. Right. Comment section for no. Obia bosha Google mo. Google la. Na yen hwese obenya idea no why na odi me ade kakra beto ama lawyer de wotu mra no akire si.
Ghana Law Report Digest. Obaka kira say Nkyeraa case. It went to the Supreme Court of Appeal. And that decision has never been reversed.
Okay.
That decision has never been reversed.
Right.
That decision has never been changed. Is that black and white?
Okay. Lawyer.
Media.
Right. Yamfani say. Abusafo bato wa watimi mate mami Erade lawyer dey we you. Lawyer say mo comment section for Mr. Won. Enipa no obia try say wetumi aye Google search am here why. Wa betumi ye maye sia na efa bi to na ye hunu ba bia case ne say wetumi anya bi why. Ye hwe Boye versus Kwaku anase Kwaku versus Boye.
Obeso onya brekum so de no
aha. Ode eneno mami mfa wunyina Nkyeraa no na ye ni ho nkomo na ye wi ana ya babrekum.
Owura Nkyeraa ye Asantehene crew. Nkyeraa kajasi feku. Nkyeraa okajasi feku.
Aha.
There's a substantive chief on Nkyeraa. Hena won Nkyeraa. Hena won Nkyeraa.
Enti obi me bawo enti It is Obi Kase or your president of Bono Regional House, no Kase or no be Pejana by Mahina. As I said, no, what you are saying.
I am portrayed.
Ah.
I am portrayed.
Ah.
I am portrayed. Because you see, the Court of Appeal decision says that Nkyeraa is Asantehene. So it is only the Asantehene who can elevate Nkyeraa.
Hey.
Oh, Opa Fasanda, when you about to know about 12 minutes, you match. Asantehene born Nkyeraa man.
Na nti eba ne say ya na Nkyeraa hene to na dwabo as na the Bono Regional House of Chief President enso kasa asem we na Nkyeraa hene to a wono so nim se ni nchifri menhia no eba ne sa usu se die
we're not on imposter or imposter no ofa we no ofa ne kwaye Nkyeraa hene na omutu no
na che se na just enu akra no nipa no woto na ye kan we kire no enye the rightful owner of akunya no
Akaii Nkyeraa no omutu in 1988 and one omutu in 1988 no ena adekọ challenge here and Akaii no raise the issue say Nkyeraa kra enhye Asantehene. Omudi za friend kwa kutabri. Omudi kwa kutabri nsi so loko swai wo kumase. Oko swai wo kumase. Nti oya ne anya no ne betu no so. Ana ode kokko. Nti ode kokko to na to ne ade no se Nkyeraa kora nhye kumase Asantehene ase. And it was having a decided decision no buy. Ego ye versus Kwaku no na de buy. I found a tablet. Tablet could be too good now. So, I mean, no lawyer who has done a lot of chieftaincy cases, they are on case. It is as part of Abratu. As part of Abratu. I Thanos case. As part of Abratu. Answer the Court of Appeal was clear. Court of Appeal said Thanos I started for the year. And also no person lawyer, Obenyano, Ghana Law Report Digest. Judgment was delivered on 11th May 1985. I think 1985 or 1988. As part of Abratu. Is there? It's a well-known case in chieftaincy. Any lawyer worth the salt who is doing chieftaincy cases, no can expert Abratu only. No, him our Thanos. I mean, some of these cases are clear.
Right. When the now can boy Kwaku versus Boy in the Court of Appeal Accra, 1987, 1988, GL 589. Now, counsel or say Kwaku Ba for the applicant, and then Kufisaki for the respondent. And the Uber case now. Yes. Yeah.
Free Ghana law reporting. Ghana law report digest. That is the same.
Right. Right. Eti Yanka was say judgment of Taylor JSC. Nana Tabri Kwaku the appeal. Okay. Right. For the benefit of education, TNT judgment of Taylor JSC. Nana Tabri Kwaku, the appellant in this case, was formerly the Nkyeraa hene in the Bono Ahafo region. On 5th May 1975, when he was the then Nkyeraa hene, the Judicial Committee of the Kumasi Traditional Council heard dismemberment charges involving him, and by a majority decision of the 8 members, gave judgment in his favor, and dismissed the said dismemberment charges brought against him by the respondent Yaoboye and 2 other kingmakers of the Nkyeraa stool. The respondent and the 2 kingmakers appealed to the Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs against the said decision given in favor of the appellant, and on 10th August 1976, the Judicial Committee of the House sitting at Kumasi allowed the appeal and set aside the majority decision of the Kumasi Traditional Council, and in effect gave a judgment upholding substantially and the dismissal charges brought against the appellant. Now, I was afford the tier wahani. Sadia now Obiri wan chete mu nyina ne say 1975 asamwa wo mo de koy Obiri call court to anipa na de call court here boye e de call yesen ko de kwa kotia o de kwa kotia mami chire mu yi ya boye kwa kutabiri wo de kotia kwa kutabiri no e kopie wo appeals court Emma nananuma trankunya wo Kumasi Traditional Council ekoye in support. Now yen kwase na yen chire mu se de e wase ni nti o say the appellant has explained
case. That case referred to Apenquest case. Apenquest case or can nyanto ba share can yan konne
okay me pesa me Bono tofa ho na case ndi yesa de waka na wo boy ya e be yaba e wo mbebre nti de opes wo yen ba me pesa me Bono tofa na yenya idea ne say de wo ka no enye wo wadwum na wo ka che na mo eye court public document wo online yemfa paragraph 2 no ha say Mamimfa paragraph 2 no hana yento aso. So say the date of this advice concerning the discontinuance of his case of the appeal, the reason therefore is quite interesting for the issue of paper forum which dismissal charges affect the occupants of Nkyeraa. Still ought to be ahead was in fact raised for the first time before the High Court. The date was so raised quite important. This was because at the announcement of the dismissal hearing, it was common knowledge that Nkyeraa was within the geographical enclave of the Bono region, and whereas the Kumasi Traditional Council was judicial committee handled the appellant's dismissal charges was located in the Ashanti region. On 15th August 1984, more than 18 months after the appellant was virtually overt that now own allegiance to Bono region, House of Chiefs, the secretary of that house clarified the status of the appellants too in Bono in response to inquiries made in a letter addressed to the house by High Court by virtue, no doubt on Section 50 in the Court Act 1961, Act 372, after submission of counsel for the parties had made a High Court on the matter. The High Court judge, Akaii, JSC, put the name matter thus. Lawyer, the Awukani Nyana Chese, and Chechemuni Chese, the Awukani Bienwa, any court of public document. Right.
I speak as a seasoned lawyer. I speak as an honest Ghanaian, a responsible practitioner.
Right.
What was my 2 minutes?
Right. And I mean, Oko now said you want.
Mama, we was a comment. No, can be my Bono. Bono Asantehene. We're not correct. I'm speaking as a lawyer. Lawyer knows your Bema party seminar on challenging this authority.
That's right. That's right. And we had even the judgment in the I say Taylor's JSC appear J Lamte judgment so I say.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
It was Mami read judgment and the judgment and so by no sukakrana at Yefunti. Or say Taylor JSC.
Fato was a page no be and can be doing with us maybe nitro.
That's right.
Never. Can be my Supreme a good lawyer like me, not cut off appear taking decisions. Say, Nkyeraa Asantehene and doesn't mean
right. Lawyer, Mamin Kabi, 2 paragraph 9 Yemfas was say the appellant in this case was formerly the Nkyeraa in the Bono region, where a judgment on 5th May 1975, when he was the Nkyeraa, the Judicial Committee of Kumasi Traditional Council heard dismissal charges involving him by the majority decision of 8 members, gave judgment in his favor, and dismissed the said dismissal charges brought against him by the respondent, Yaoboye. The 2 other kingmakers of the Nkyeraa too, The respondent and the two kingmakers appealed to the Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs against the said decision given in favor of the appellant, and on 10th August 1976, the Judicial Committee of the House sitting in Kumasi allowed the appeal and set aside the majority decision of the Kumasi Traditional Council, in effect gave judgment upholding substantially the dismissment charges brought against the appellant. The appellant timeously lodged an appeal against the judgment, and it was entitled to do so. Was a judicial right. I mean, lawyer, all the paragraphs in say case no said the Okan, Sabe Pepene, it will be a bit near Quaco, Okabo, JS in 1998. Lawyer, Nitiopa.
Nkyeraa was a Berekum Asantehene.Lawyer, Supreme Court of Ghana, 14 December 2017, and the Somongo girl.
Mammy Trent one.
Nana for and others versus Nana Equiamire and others.
Nana
Supreme Court of Ghana.
Nana Ofori Apia.
Nana and others.
Apia and others.
Versus.
Jesse, Justice. And Justice.
What versus?
Justice versus.
Versus.
Oh, okay, versus. Versus.
Nana Equia Amehi.
Nana Equia. Amehene. Okay. And others. I was a phobia review, yes, yeah. Okay. Obian review. Mate. And others, and to us all.
Judgment delivered on 14 December 2017.
14th December 2017. Judgment. Okay, Tianoso ruling so no court so no and so no you go go him.
I'm also one such and say atwaso. One such we amen twaso.
Okay. I was about I know someone said to my mom why na lawyer never
December 2017.
Yeah. 14 December. And also yeah public document. Mami here no so. Mami here no.
Supreme Court mama date check.
Yeah.
Checking one sana ya twaso.
Mate 14th December
2017.
14th December 2017 Supreme Court judgment. Supreme Court. I was yes we have you on Mr. Amunya botre. Why Supreme Court case? Yeah. And the yan hwede me nya no ase to Supreme Court case. I was yes you have to be a momoden a Ghana.
Okay.
En hwe wa ase. I Mate, I was called 14 December case. Right.
Tanoso. Two bottom. And so Asantehene.Lawyer, and so my Supreme Court case, Territorial, the Republic versus National House of Chiefs. That's party Udrubuama.
Right.
We are men Koso.
I would try. I ever ready. And then the lawyer said, no, and there will be a south by you. Thomas, affording now, I think you for in Miss Remo. As some now court cases, no, they are my articles of Bubianco will be why. And when you Nanequia, I'm here. Never to us. Because yes, another so court case, Nanequia, I'm here. Nana Equia.
And I know for Apia and others versus Apia Mary and others.
Ofori Apia.
14 December 2017.
Apia and others. Yeah. And others.
The leading judgment was read by Apple JS.
Okay. Justice Apple.
Justice Apple.
Right. Nana appeal for versus Nana Nkyeraa. I'm here. Okay, case in this was say Ghana legal report. Yeah, I'm in free and I'm say me who has here. I'm who and so. Right. We could have full document from in the Superior Court of Adjudicature, in the Court of Supreme Court. Atuguba JSC presiding Bafuboni Benny JSC Apeu and then Pinawan JSC. Inti judges are eternal case in the chieftaincy appeal number J2/02/2207 14th December 2017. Lawyer, I went kwa because me saka full document when kwa
bloggers no
Yamfa Justice Apau JSC ni rule in the judgment. He was say this is an appeal against Mami Ridi Justice Apau Dia no say JSC. This is an appeal against the decision of the Judicial Committee of the National House of Chiefs. The appellants who are the Nkyeraa and the Asantehene of the Brekum traditional area, where the first and the fourth petitioners, respectively, in the trial Judicial Committee of the Bono Regional House of Chiefs, they will be referred to simply as appellants in this judgment. The respondents, on the other hand, were the first, fourth, and the fifth respondents to the petition filed by the appellants and the three others before the trial Judicial Committee. The other three petitioners, example, second and third, and the fifth, who were the Akwamuhene, Tafohene, and Boahen, respectively, of the Brekum traditional area, died in the course of the action before the matter got to this court. They were never substituted, so they were not part of this appeal. The respondent also numbered 5 at the trial stage. However, the two of them, example, the second and third, died before the matter came on appeal before us. They were not substituted, so they were not part of the appeal. Justice in Nkyeraa said the appeal raises two fundamental issues. These are whether or not the two judicial committees of the Bono Regional House of Chiefs, and then I'll say a House of Chiefs erred in holding that there is only one royal family of the Dormaahene stool of Brekum. Example, the Kraso royal family, and whether or not the fourth respondent. Lawyer say. Okay. Lawyer, come judgment no munyina all the justices na rule wa say enti lawyer yanto aso free say me gidi say doubting Thomas for nyina no na obi efia de. Right. Abuza for amam for lawyer amam ready. Right. That's right. That's right. Now, lawyer, yam from kra na I say ho ada ho efunu nani ada ho enti yan hwe obi ka se we regional house of
speaker because my clients be woman I want to attend to my clients, you know?
Okay. Na ya to so da foforo nemo before that na lawyer mami musao o de chena na ya to so na mami hwe ya hu page bi lawyer Obiri Boahen pa cho wo YouTube account na
my creative you say na man for say na me see ya no o manage ho pa so I've created YouTube account lawyer Nana Obiri Boahen.
Lawyer Nana Obiri Boahen.
Yeah, I've created it.
Okay, ebusafo mesremo
come to me say na da be na metro book na da be na me say na be me ya de na a cover pa especially when people listen to abakose na no memenda abakose bia me kokan na no memenda me ka say achimabu akwafo no wo mo hena to so dumi ensa e na Asantehene di achimabu akwa wo mo hena to so dumi miensa your friend
Kuntun Kurunku ni dini ya popular pa
1642 to 1727 Achimabwa first chief no kwa from one 62 1362 to 1390 1362 to 13